The AI hype train has stalled in China. Quan Mills was the biggest mystery on TikTok. Until now. The company that makes Nokia phones is spinning off its own branded phones. How to mirror your iPad's screen onto a Roku, to watch videos and view pictures on a TV screen. Seattle officer recorded joking about woman's death, saying she had limited value. Why the Putin-Kim meeting has world leaders worried. An enduring food favorite of Elon Musk across 3 decades is Jack in the Box's teriyaki bowl. Dave Portnoy's Barstool Sports used sock puppet accounts to avoid copyright takedowns, Daily Beast reports. Corporate goths are wearing their fishnets and eyeliner to work, and they're not apologizing for expressing themselves.